Ubungubu tugiye kuinstalla CCTV camera ya HIK Smart Hybrid CCTV camera. We are going to install up there. We remove the other one. We are going to fix up there. This is the CCTV camera, the good one, the good quality. It's called. This is hybrid smart lights. This is 4MP camera, and then there is the IP67. IP67, and then it's recording the sound. This one we're going to fix in somewhere around. It's called hano bayita mu Kinigi muri Farmer House. Farmer House hari hoteli nziza no turi gukorera umutekano mushyashya tukora installation ku buryo tugomba gutuma security bifuza kugira muzashaka contact ku internet kuri cyatuzanye inegwa. Now we go. Here we go now. Then we go now. We are going to uncover one camera, unboxing one camera. This is unboxing one camera, and then we're going to fix up there. One camera, I'm going to fix up there. Here's one. Comment on this now. Hey, I'm a boy. You should be sasa rero njye nari nduki ndazitinya kandi abajuzi ahari ndohereza kwa komeba abahandi muri babushari je buri yagiye kuri yo rero nkazikata nkazikora uzanyiyongoza usabwa nyine ariko neza mbere za muri mpamvu za kabiri stambu zabumenyereye nabaye muhomvu ngo antidote nta kintu ushobora kurwana kimwe ubwo bombe nyine ariko boro iyi niyo kamera tugiye gufunga, biba bimeze neza cyane. Nice. Nayo twibuka kuyishyiraho kugira ngo tutara topology ariko reka mbengiye mu karitasi. Uploadingire video y'uburyo ahantu turi gukorera hameze. Murakoze. Rero tugeze noneho kuri tele zimwe turanazifunga.
Uraba mwita pakone.
Tukora n'ibindi byinshi bitandukanye tugenda tuba mu video mukeneye. Ni karibu muri Tech Plus Group Limited. Ahangaha na handi hantu turimo kuinstalla byane nababwiraga.
CCTV camera, guys.